About a month ago, Crow Food Co. posted a video showing the best breakfast sandwich ever. He's an awesome cook, but I'm gonna try to top it. Today we're going with the Pillsbury Grand's Cinnnamon cinnamon rolls as the bun for our sandwich. Let's get it. When they don't pop automatically, you can take your thumb and press it on this seam right here, and they should pop. Little flinch, small pop this time. Before I drop these cinnamon rolls on, you know I've got to get down some bacon up. Store-bought bacon grease, you can find it in my Amazon storefront, along with a lot of the other materials I'm using today. Let's pull them out and get them on the griddle. Since so many of you were upset when I smashed the cinnamon rolls last time, we're gonna smash 2 and leave 3 whole. And I'm actually gonna use parchment paper to show you if it sticks or not. I think the key is to smash them while they're still cold. I'm gonna move the ones I'm not smashing to the middle so I can put a dome over them. I'm also going to go ahead and start my bacon. I have 3 slices of thick cut bacon. I'm cooking these on low heat. It's been about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna flip them over just to make sure we don't burn them. Bringing you in to let you see the progress so far. I flipped these over when I moved them under the dome. We've got our bacon going. The cinnamon rolls and bacon are about done, so I'm putting on a little bit more bacon up here to cook my egg. I moved the cinnamon rolls all to the edges so they would cook a little bit slower. I'm completely turned off in the middle, and I'm on low here and high here. Let's get this sandwich assembled. I'm gonna flip this one over as my bottom bun. I'm gonna take a piece of bacon. Why not 2? We're going for the perfect breakfast sandwich. I'm going to slide my egg on top of that. Add my slice of Monterey Jack cheese and slide my other cinnamon roll on top. I heavily debated whether or not I was gonna put icing on this sandwich, but why not? It's delicious. What do you guys think about the finished product? Can't wait to take a bite. Let's eat, y'all. That is a perfect breakfast sandwich.